And now we are in line to go on the ferry. So today we're gonna go and visit Gozo a little bit. It's an island part of Malta archipelago, as everybody knows. There is so many things to see and to experience. Yeah, I don't think we will have, it's already 10:30, we're up there 11 something. I don't think we will see much. I mean, not as much as we would like in one single day visit, but we will try to see the most interesting thing at least.
The guys are so friendly.
Crossing the channel, and then we are that is Kumi. I start moving. Must be something typical of Gozo. We'll try to find out. In town. I don't know what. I'm a little fist. And here we are going to the Gozo, and this is the old fortress. What a fortification. Long history on these walls, full and huge. Traditional Gozo platter with traditional cheese, tomato, olives, capers, onion.
So fun.
To make oh yeah, difficult to see with camera, but there is kind of storage. Aristocratic.
Lying tomatoes.
Yeah. There is no dog. And we are back on Malta after a day